My Amazon Echo won't turn on.
Make sure it is plugged in case it was unplugged by someone who gave up trying to do a reset with that little pinhole.
I haven't unplugged it.
Remember, the power cord has to be plugged into the back of the Echo securely and the power adapter into the wall.
It should be properly seated.
If it is and the unit won't come on, I can't say you don't need to log on to Amazon's website to order a new power cord.
Or take the Echo to someone else's house where they have a power connection and see if it works.
It would be simpler to move it to another room and try a different wall outlet first.
Or at least less work.
If the power strip overloaded because the gaming console is plugged into it along with the big screen TV, that would explain the reason it is all dead.
It isn't dead.
Did you try resetting it?
After you do that, the light ring cycles, turns orange as it starts up setup mode. Then you have to use the Alexa app to connect it to the Wi-Fi network and register it again.
I wonder if you have the wake word set up.
Sure, at least I did.
If you forgot the wake word and yell things at it that aren't correct, it may record your speech but won't activate.
I don't think that's it, and before you ask, no, I'm not too far away from it to use the wake word.
If it can't understand you because your speech is garbled or slurred, I can't help you.
You understand me fine.
When you tell it to wake, it should connect to the cloud, so it won't turn on immediately.
The delay is a fraction of a second, and if the thing can't connect in that time, the LEDs would say the connection was the problem. Maybe the microphones are off.
If the microphones are off, it will have the light ring on the top of the unit red. And you can turn it on by pushing the microphone button on top of it.
There isn't an indicator that obvious.
Sometimes the reason it won't turn on is because the speaker driver and power board is dead.
I've heard of that preventing it from playing sound.
If it was having disruptions in the audio you couldn't explain and now won't turn on, that may need to be replaced.
I don't think Amazon has spare parts and a repair shop as the companies that sell gaming consoles do, which means a new Amazon Echo.
If the unit is brand new and having these problems, they should give you a new one for free.
It isn't the new.
If the unit seems like it can't hear you and the light on top won't work right, then the LED combo microphone board needs to be replaced.
Now we're back to a new Amazon Echo.
Before you freak, it may be on, and we'll assume all the lights are the right color for this, so turn up the volume ring by turning it clockwise.
It isn't muted.
Then you're down to calling for tech support, just not as a voice command through the Echo.